Yeah. Doesn't have much space.
Not too stiff, but not too soft either.
There's a nice
it's like
bump right here.
just in between.
Yeah, that's
that don't
perfect.
feel bad. That
That's
don't feel bad at all.
Here's a comparison. It's pretty bumpy through here. Speedo coat refinish network. All right, guys, we are over here. It's an extremely windy day. We're over here in the mechanical shop. We are finally putting a little more sweat equity into this 07 TL Type S. Everybody in the Honda Acura community knows that, you know, this is kind of becoming a classic collector's car item now. They're very hard to find, especially in this type of shape. Even though it needs a paint job, it is in very good condition. You know, it's a decent condition car. However, shocks very much so are aged. The guys over at Maxspeedingrods, they sent us their newly custom crafted, beautifully crafted T7 coilovers. These are top notch. With the click of a button at the top of all these coilovers, you can adjust it for comfort. You can make them softer, you can make them harder. You can adjust the spring tension, you can adjust the ride height, you can adjust the ride height up and down. There's so many ways to adjust these and make them exactly the suspension that you want. Friends over today, they're helping me take the back seats out, get the hardest part of the TL install of the coilovers is the rears. They are very, very hard to get to. Fronts are a breeze. All you got to do is pop this cover off and your bolts are right there. And then same thing with underneath. The fronts are usually the easiest to do. We're going to go ahead, put the camera down, get these things installed, show you guys a quick little before and after of the ride height and everything like that. Take it for a little spin, see what we think.
Shit, is that Jake?
not too stiff, but not too soft either.
Here's a nice
it's like
bump right here.
just in between.
Yeah, that's
that don't
perfect.
feel bad. That
That's
don't feel bad at
great.
all.
Here's it's pretty bumpy through here. This.
Feel that bad. Feels really good.
So that's a bump right there, really big bump, and it was like not, yeah.
No.
So that wraps it up for the Maxspeedingrods T7 install. As usual, I am extremely impressed with the coilovers, the ride, and everything like that. The only thing I will say is if you think this is going to be a one-person install, think again. You're going to need at least one extra friend, maybe two. The front coilovers on this particular car, because it comes with a factory strut tower bar, there was like 6 bolts in the front strut. It was extremely complicated to get because the bolts from factory, those threads are permanently attached to the strut. These ones, the bolts actually come up and down. So you have to actually put them in, hold them in there. It was very complicated. Rears, as you guys saw, you had to completely remove the rear seat. That was also another headache. If you have a 07 or 08 Acura TL and you live in the North Central America, you're most likely going to have to replace the sway bar, the stabilizer links. Those are going to have to get replaced because you're not going to be able to take them off. They're going to be rusted. As far as the actual quality of the coilovers, when it comes to ride height, usability, ride quality, these are top dog. I mean, nothing beats these. The thing is like there is way more expensive coilovers on the market. You can go out here, you can spend $1,500 to $1,800 on a set of coilovers. These are really budget. These are like a racing, high performance competition coilover, priced right at around $500 to $600, depending on your make and model and everything like that. Basically getting $1,000 to $1,500 set of coilovers that are 3-way adjustable, ride height adjustable, spring tension adjustable, and overall shock stiffness adjustable, 3-way adjustable for under $700, guys. This is a bang for your buck. This is the best suspension you are going to get under $1,000. That's going to wrap it up with this one. If you guys are looking for the best, most affordable racing suspension or just regular replacement suspension out there, there's one place you need to go, Maxspeedingrods.com. I'll have a coupon code in the description. You guys can get about 5 to 10% off of your orders, and I hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.